Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Some interesting weather going on today. I know a lot of folks worried about the severe weather threat, but to be honest with you, the severe weather threat is really shifting south. I am not concerned with severe weather in North Carolina. And in South Carolina, we're mainly looking at areas I would say along Interstate 26 going down into the upstate and then down into Columbia. The closer you get to the North Carolina border, the threat's going to diminish, and here's why. You're looking at the current surface map, which has a satellite radar and what we call a mesoscale discussion. You see this big orange box here. This is a mesoscale discussion that the Storm Prediction Center puts out for a possible severe thunderstorm watch, and they're talking about the same things I'm talking about. This backdoor cold front, which is basically right in here on the state line. If you look closely at the temperatures, it's only in the upper 50s to near 60 with dew points in the 30s in Greensboro. In the Salisbury area, we'd have dew points in the 30s. In and around Charlotte, the dew points around 50. So the front, it looks to be in between Rock Hill and Charlotte right now. Now, if you're on the north side of this atmosphere is way too stable. There is no chance you're going to get severe weather with dew points in the 30s north of the front. If you're going to see severe weather, it's going to be down here in Columbia, where the dew points are in the 60s and the air temperature is basically in the low 80s right now. When you look at the dew point temperatures, it clearly shows where that front is. You see the boundary setting up from just south of Hickory, just about to Charlotte, and this is what I'm talking about. The boundary or the front appears to be between Charlotte and Rock Hill. Now, this is still going to put Chester, Lancaster, and parts of Rock Hill under the gun for some strong storms, but the front is actually extending further south with time. This is going to keep our severe weather threat down. When you look at the instability, this is basically the amount of thunderstorm cape, we call it. This basically is showing that all of the thunderstorm cape is down into South Carolina. So the areas of concern are down near Columbia more than they are up near Charlotte. There is no instability at all up here north of the front. Now, as we go into the afternoon, this front will continue to build down to the south and will likely cause some strong storms from Augusta to Atlanta to Greenville to Columbia, maybe to Florence and Myrtle Beach, but areas north, we're not concerned. Now, this is going to keep clouds and showers in the forecast tonight and early tomorrow, but we are going to see some much colder air coming. So we'll keep an eye on this. I'll be on the air starting today at 4, 5, and 6. We'll keep you up to date online on Facebook and Twitter as well. But right now, the severe weather threat for the Carolinas is really confined to the Midlands of South Carolina and the upstate. Not so much worried about York County, but Chester, Lancaster, Chesterfield, stay alert. If we get any warnings or watches, I'll pass them along immediately.